Have you ever wondered if Bitcoin is being manipulated? Today might just reveal shocking insights. Welcome to Financial Insights in Minutes. Here, we provide time-saving summaries of the latest cryptocurrency content. The importance of financial education is undeniable, but we all live busy lives.
Today we'll dissect various expert videos to unpack the future of cryptocurrencies.
We have a solid lineup today, covering everything from Bitcoin's market dynamics to potential altcoin ETF launches.
All right, let's jump into our first video discussion.
Up next, Altcoin Daily reveals Bitcoin's possible market manipulation strategies. Crypto Banter discusses whether the current bull market will last till December 2024. CryptosRUs predicts a major Bitcoin rally on the horizon. Benjamin Cowen uncovers Ethereum's potential dramatic decline by year-end. Ivan on Tech argues why Bitcoin is currently underpriced amidst big catalysts. The Moon goes all in on Bitcoin, breaking down key trading strategies. Lark Davis questions if we will ever see another altcoin season. Coin Bureau explores the future of altcoin ETFs and Grayscale's pivotal role. Welcome to Altcoin Daily. Today's hot topic is the Bitcoin market being manipulated. What should you do as a savvy investor? Joining us is Matthew Siegel, the head of digital asset research at VanEck. Get ready for some juicy insights.
Absolutely. Matthew's analysis sheds light on the current Bitcoin landscape and the recent market movements. His expertise in this space is going to help us navigate these murky waters.
What's the main thesis from Matthew's insights? What drives the Bitcoin market right now?
Matthew emphasizes that the Bitcoin market is under pressure from external sell-offs and fiscal uncertainty. Historically, Bitcoin tends to thrive under such conditions, suggesting a rebound could be near.
Let's break down why Bitcoin has been struggling lately.
Right. Bitcoin's correlation with the Nasdaq is at a 2-year high, while government sell-offs have created a surplus of Bitcoins on the market.
What about the upcoming elections? How does that play into Bitcoin's future?
Historically, Bitcoin tends to gain after elections. The current political candidates are showing increasing interest in crypto policies, which could benefit the market.
Fascinating. Now let's talk about Bitcoin miners.
Yes, miners like Marathon Digital could see immense growth by powering AI GPUs. This crossover is something to watch closely.
So what's the prediction for Bitcoin's price?
Matthew believes Bitcoin could soar to new heights after the election, supported by recent ETF approvals, increasing institutional interest.
How do market dynamics shift with the new generation?
As younger investors enter the market, the appeal of Bitcoin could rise, pushing prices higher. This trend will be vital for the crypto landscape.
To wrap up, what are the final thoughts?
The key takeaway is to remain vigilant and explore investment opportunities. The market has challenges ahead, but those who stay informed can navigate through.
What did Matthew say about market manipulation?
Understanding this manipulation is crucial. Investors need to adapt their strategies based on emerging patterns and fiscal changes.
That's a wrap. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin's future post-election?
We'd love to hear your predictions. Drop a comment below with your insights.
Welcome to Crypto Banter. Today we're exploring the future of the crypto market. Can the current rally sustain itself, or are we staring down the barrel of a downturn before the year's end? Joining us are seasoned analysts Henrik and James, ready to dissect the charts.
Let's get straight to the facts. Both guests bring a wealth of experience in crypto analysis and market forecasting. Grab your notepad as we unravel their insights.
So, what's the core thesis of today's discussion? Why do our guests think this market rally might be short-lived?
The primary claim is a cautious optimism. While there are promising signs now, multiple economic indicators suggest a downturn looming within the next few months.
Let's dive into the key points. First up, what are the current market trends?
Bitcoin is holding steady at around $61,200, while altcoins are confidently climbing, indicating a strong overall market sentiment.
What do the experts have to say about the future?
Both Henrik and James anticipate that while the market might shine for now, economic stressors such as inflation could topple this rise within 3 to 4 months.
And what about the risks involved?
Investors are walking a fine line. Balancing potential rewards against the backdrop of liquidity issues will be key in the coming months.
What do the crystal balls say about the near future?
Our analysts predict a bearish trend could emerge, with substantial profit-taking possibly causing swift corrections in the market.
Any further predictions we should be aware of?
A focus on inflationary agendas could reshape policies around asset classes, including Bitcoin and gold, radically changing the market landscape.
As we wrap up, what should viewers take away from today's insights?
The crypto market is in a fragile state. Staying informed and ready to adjust strategies will be vital in these uncertain waters. How do you plan to navigate the currents in the coming months? Drop your thoughts below.
What do you all think will happen next? Anything ginormous on the horizon?
Let's hear those predictions. Comment below with your takes.
Welcome back to CryptosRUs. Today's hot topic: Bitcoin is on the brink of a major rally. That's right, folks. Buckle up because we're diving into what's making the crypto waves today.
Indeed. With Bitcoin above $61,000 and the markets buzzing, we've got tons to dissect about upcoming factors influencing this surge. It's a thrilling time for crypto enthusiasts.
So, what's at the core of today's discussion?
The central thesis revolves around the anticipation of a potential rally in Bitcoin due to strong market conditions and expected cues from the Fed's upcoming statements. With a bullish sentiment brewing, investors are eager for a price boost.
Let's navigate through the key points, starting with Bitcoin's price movement.
Bitcoin is currently trending upwards, sitting above $61,000, with predictions pinning it, potentially hitting $63,000, $67,000, and even $70,000 in the near future.
What about the Fed's role? What's the buzz around Powell's speech?
Chair Powell's speech could sway markets significantly. Current predictions place a 71% chance on a 25 basis point rate cut, especially crucial for market momentum.
And how about the ETF inflows?
BlackRock has recorded substantial inflows totaling over $65 million, showing strong institutional interest. This bodes well for Bitcoin's price sustainability.
Now let's discuss accumulation trends.
Countries like El Salvador are actively accumulating Bitcoin, adopting a proactive approach. Long-term holding and dollar-cost averaging strategies are increasingly common among savvy investors.
Lastly, what's the buzz about the market's sentiment?
The stablecoin market cap has hit an all-time high, indicating robust buying power. This influx is set to create remarkable opportunities for Bitcoin purchases and investments.
Time for some predictions. What does the crystal ball say about Bitcoin's future?
The consensus is that the momentum may carry Bitcoin up to $80,000 soon, driven by increased market engagement and favorable conditions.
And what about the institutions?
Indeed, a surge in buying from institutional investors indicates a bullish sentiment. BlackRock's strategy showcases confidence in Bitcoin's long-term viability.
To wrap things up, what are the key takeaways?
Bitcoin seems set for a major rally, benefiting from favorable market conditions, a strong institutional presence, and bullish sentiments. It's the perfect storm for long-term value growth.
And here's a question for the viewers. What's your outlook on Bitcoin's rally potential?
Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are you ready to dive into Bitcoin?
Welcome to the channel. Today's deep dive, Ethereum and its end-of-year outlook. Buckle up as we navigate through market trends and predictions.
Absolutely. Our analysis is led by none other than the founder of Into the Cryptoverse, Benjamin Cowen. With his extensive background in cryptocurrency analysis, he's here to break down the latest market movements.
What's the core thesis we're exploring today?
The main point is that Ethereum's valuation is facing a possible major decline. Historically, patterns from 2016 and 2019 seem to suggest that similar pullbacks could happen again this year.
Let's break down the key points. What historical patterns should we be aware of?
In March 2024, Ethereum may reach its peak, similar to 2016. Historically, we see declines of around 60 to 70% following such peaks.
What are some predictions for market movements, especially in September?
It's interesting. September usually brings bearish trends, but historically in 2016 and 2019, Ethereum saw some growth. Could history repeat this year?
And how do these patterns translate into price levels?
If Ethereum drops 60%, we're looking at around $1,500. A more severe drop of 70% could land it at $1,200. That's significant.
What about predictions? What do we foresee in the near term?
There's a chance for a rally in September, especially with the anticipated Fed rate cuts. However, historically, that can lead to declines later on.
And looking further out, what's the end-of-year insight?
Don't expect substantial gains until 2025. The Q4 volatility could test many investors' patience.
To wrap things up, what should viewers take away from this analysis?
In this uncertain terrain, cautious optimism is key. Investors need to make strategic decisions to navigate what lies ahead.
Before you go, what's your personal outlook for Ethereum? Bullish, bearish, or undecided?
Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's spark a conversation.
Welcome to Ivan on Tech. Grab your life jackets because we're navigating the thrilling waters of Bitcoin's potential.
Oh, yes, it's a wild wave at the moment. Bitcoin is hovering around $61,000. Now that's a price point to watch.
So what's the crux of today's discussion about Bitcoin?
Well, the key takeaway is that Bitcoin is currently underpriced, with multiple catalysts like the halving event and looming ETF adoptions yet to hit the market.
What about those catalysts? What are we actually missing?
It's huge. The upcoming Bitcoin halving hasn't been factored into prices yet, and neither has the new ETF news, which is almost criminally ignored.
And historically, what patterns should we look out for?
October is historically the most promising month for Bitcoin. Previous bull runs show the last quarter brings the biggest gains.
What's the risk if someone isn't in the market right now?
The risk is monumental. This is a unique opportunity akin to sitting on the sidelines of a roaring race.
So, what are the imminent predictions for Bitcoin?
The outlook looks bright. October is expected to ignite the bull run, with potential returns mirroring 2017 peaks.
Any thoughts on the political front influencing crypto?
Yes, a Trump victory could shift crypto regulations drastically, especially with stablecoins being crucial in government dealings.
As we finish up, what should viewers take away?
Position yourself wisely for the upcoming surges. October is your chance. What will you do with your Bitcoin in the coming months?
What's your prediction for October?
Drop your thoughts in the comments. Will it be a bull run or a bust?
Welcome to the moon. Today we're diving into some hot Bitcoin discussions. What's the latest on this roller coaster ride where all families and friends are caught up in?
Absolutely. The Bitcoin market is buzzing with potential breakouts. Carl, as a renowned Bitcoin expert, is here to unpack the current state of Bitcoin, focusing on key trading strategies and his optimistic outlook.
So what's the big idea from Carl's latest video?
The core thesis suggests that Bitcoin is forming a bull flag, but is currently bearish. A breakout above resistance could shift the market sentiment massively.
Let's break this down a bit. What's this bull flag all about?
The bull flag is a classic chart pattern indicating a potential upward breakout. The critical resistance level is set at $6,640. Breaking above that could spark a market rally.
What are Carl's thoughts on trading strategy for this?
He warns against using too much leverage, urging traders to wait for the breakout confirmation before diving in. It's like sailing. You don't want to capsize before the wave hits.
Now that's an ambitious target. What's the long-term outlook?
Carl believes Bitcoin could skyrocket to $100,000 by next year if the bullish trend continues. Buckle up, folks.
What about specific predictions?
If Bitcoin breaks above resistance, expect a market reversal. Sentiment could shift entirely, leading to rapid price increases.
Got it. Are there any immediate impacts we should watch for?
Absolutely. A breakout would likely induce a surge in trading volumes as traders rush to capitalize on the shift. Exciting times.
Wrapping this up, what should viewers take away?
Trade wisely. The potential for significant gains is there, but caution is key. Don't dive in too deep without waiting for the signals.
And now, for a question to spark some debate. Where do you think Bitcoin will head next? Drop your predictions in the comments.
Can it really hit that 100K mark? I want to hear your thoughts.
Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic. Could the golden days of altcoin season be over for good?
Exactly. We're exploring the intriguing contention that's been swirling online that we may never see an altcoin season again.
What's the core thesis here about altcoin seasons?
The prevailing notion is that with major players like ETFs entering the arena, investments are becoming Bitcoin-centric, leaving many altcoins to potentially fade into oblivion.
Let's delve into some key points. What's shifting in market dynamics?
The introduction of ETFs means that institutional money is primarily chasing Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum, leaving low-cap altcoins in the dust.
And what about token unlocks?
Well, there's a constant stream of token unlocks flooding the market, which sour the interest from retail investors considerably.
What's happening with retail investors?
Retail is chasing meme coins but often loses steam, only returning when Bitcoin hits significant price points.
Should we discount all altcoins right now?
Far from it. While many will fade, some altcoins have solid potential and have seen significant gains over the last 18 months.
Now, what are the predictions for altcoins moving forward?
Despite the bearish trend, historical patterns of greed suggest that altcoins will regain popularity eventually, especially when Bitcoin hits impressive milestones.
Any insights on market behavior?
Absolutely. As big players take profit on Bitcoin, they're likely to rotate into altcoins, triggering that classic greedy behavior.
As we wrap up, what should viewers take away?
The altcoin market isn't dead, it's just in hibernation. Waiting for the right moment to strike is key.
What do you think? Are we due for an alt season?
Drop your opinions in the comments. Do you believe the altcoins are set for a comeback?
Welcome aboard. Today's journey takes us into the exciting world of altcoin ETFs, following the waves created by Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. What does it mean for eager investors?
Absolutely. With Grayscale making significant moves, today's discussion will dive deep into their altcoin trusts. Buckle up, let's get straight to the facts.
So what's the main thesis of this video?
The core thesis suggests that Grayscale's expansion could catalyze the launch of spot ETFs for altcoins. As regulations evolve, the crypto landscape might become more diversified and mainstream.
Let's break down some key points. First, what should we know about Grayscale?
Grayscale is a major player in digital asset management founded in 2013. With a new CEO, Peter Mintzberg, who's got a rich background from Goldman Sachs, it's clear they're ramping up.
What's the difference between ETFs and investment trusts?
Great question. ETFs issue shares in real time, closely mirroring asset prices. Trusts, they issue shares periodically, which can lead to significant price discrepancies.
And about those spot ETFs?
The SEC's green light for Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs signals a new era. With political winds shifting, other altcoins may soon follow suit.
Interesting. What's the buzz in the market right now?
Most of Grayscale's altcoin trusts are trading well above value, showing huge demand from institutions. Premiums can exceed triple digits.
Now, let's peek into the crystal ball. What are the predictions?
We can expect a surge in altcoin ETFs, providing more legitimacy to cryptocurrencies. It's the dawn of mainstream acceptance.
As we navigate towards the conclusion, what are the key takeaways?
Grayscale's push opens the door for altcoin ETFs, which could fundamentally reshape the crypto scenery and attract more investor interest.
So will altcoins finally get their sea legs?
Absolutely. Keep an eye on Grayscale's next moves. What altcoin are you hoping will get its own ETF? Share your thoughts below.
As we've heard, the outlook on cryptocurrency varies widely across our guests today.
Indeed. While Bitcoin enthusiasts like those from CryptosRUs promise a rally,
Lark Davis and Benjamin Cowen express concerns about altcoins and Ethereum respectively.
always good to keep our discussions balanced, right?
Absolutely. What do you think about the future as we head into 2024? Let us know. Thanks for watching Financial Insights in Minutes for August 24th, 2024. If you'd like more time-saving content, please remember to like and subscribe. If you have ideas for more channels you'd like to see summarized, drop a comment below. See you next time.